There are well over 1 billion items for sale on eBay worldwide. How do you make sure potential buyers find yours? To get found on eBay, we recommend that you focus on optimizing your listing titles. When the title closely matches what a shopper typed in, they're more likely to find it. Now, sounds obvious, doesn't it? But there's more to it than that. Here are some top tips for optimizing your titles. Firstly, most titles are too short. Use as many of the available characters as you can. The more information you put in your title, the greater the chance of a match. Aim for 15 or more keywords. But do remember it's about quality as well as quantity. Don't waste characters on irrelevant words or eBay-only acronyms. Examples are wow, look, or BNWT. Shoppers are rarely searching for those words. Don't include words which aren't related to the item that you're selling. That's keyword spamming. It's against eBay policy because it can mislead potential buyers and increase the number of return requests. So, what are they likely to type in? The closer a shopper is to buying, the more specific that they get with their searches. For instance, someone who's ready to buy has a pretty good idea of the brand, size, colour, and even the model number of the item they want. There's a world of difference between someone searching for black shoes and someone searching for men's black lace-up brogues UK size 8. Don't forget to also put all available information into the item's specifics fields. They're taken into account when ranking search results too. Make sure that all the keywords in your title are spelled correctly, especially brand names. If they aren't, your listing might not be found. So, if you'd like to improve your chances of getting found on eBay, optimize your titles today. Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.